Man, I cannot believe that I got grounded again. I wish I could get revenge on my parents or my siblings, but how can I do that? Wait. I got it. I'm going to sneeze on my dad's face to see how he likes it. Ha 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 ha.
Man, it is nice to have peace and quiet without Tommy causing any trouble. Nothing can ruin my day.
No!
Tommy, why are you out of your room? You are still grounded.
I have a surprise for you.
Yeah 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 yeah. I love surprises.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed. Now what? Hey, Tommy, did you just sneeze on my face?
No. Fine, yes. I did.
Oh 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 oh. G R R R R R R R R. Oh my fuck. King God, Tommy freaking idiot. Moron retarded bald ass sneezing on someone Jones. How fuck? King dare you sneeze on my face. Now I have to get my face clean thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 45 weeks. Go to your room right now, and I will tell your mother about this when she gets home.
What?